Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. See, you have already done exercise 2A of compound interest. Let's today start with 2B. To do 2B, they have given us certain formula. First one is the formula to find amount. There will be a question in your mind that why with the formula if we know the successive method, because in first exercise you have find out the amount by successive simple interest method. Here the formula, we have a direct formula. See, with the practice only you'll come to know. In exams it won't be mentioned do the sum with a formula or without formula. With the practice you'll come to know that there are certain questions, like there is a question second A, question number 3, which can be done only without formula. So there would be certain sums which can be done not using formula, and certain sums which can be done only with the formula. Now let's discuss the formula. The first one is amount. Amount is P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n, where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, n is the number of years. And first we'll find amount here, then compound interest will be amount minus principal. This is the first formula. Now the second formula is that you may be given more than one rate of interest. Then the formula for amount is P into 1 plus R1 upon 100 for 1 year. First year the rate of interest is R1. For the second year rate of interest is R2. For the third year rate of interest is R3. Then this is the formula. Next is when period is not a complete number of year. For example, we have 2 years 8 months. Suppose we have 2 year 8 months. For 2 years the same formula we have P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised by 2. But what about 8 months? 8 months can be converted into years by writing as 8 by 12. So 1 plus 8 by 12 R upon 100. This will take long putting a multiplication sign in between. Fine. Next is when it is compounded, when the interest is compounded half yearly. When the interest is compounded half yearly, principal will remain P as it is. Time 1 year means how many half years? 2 half years. 1 year is converted into 2 half years. It means whatever time is given to you, multiply that by 2, double the time. Rate is to be halved. Bank is giving you a rate of interest for 1 year, but if you withdraw your money after half year only, they cut the rate of interest also half. So R will become R by 2% half yearly. And here the amount will be P into 1 plus R by 200 2n. I hope it is clear. Let's discuss some of the questions. Looking at question number 2 of exercise 2B, calculate the amount and compound interest on 64,000 for 3 years at 7.5% per annum compounded annually. Take care, see this carefully, it is annually. So the formula will be P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised per n. P is 64,000. 1, it was 7.5 means 15 by 2 into 100 raised to power time is 3 years. Calculating it carefully, I have just cut it, made it 3 by 40. 1 plus 3 by 40 has converted as 43 by 40. It is to be written 3 times, and I got this as amount. If this is amount, what is compound interest? Amount minus principal. Clear? Similarly, if you have fourth question, in question 4 they are saying that if the principal is 25,000 for 3 years and rate of interest is different for all 3 years, As I told you in the formula, same way the amount will be 25,000, 1 plus 8 by 100, 1 plus 9 by 100, 1 plus 10 by 100. And I hope you can calculate it. Now let's come to question number 8. I've just taken different sums to discuss. Question number 8 says find amount and compound interest on 1,25,000 for 1.5 year at 12% per annum compounded half yearly. This is to be taken care half yearly. Now if it is half yearly, it means time is to be doubled, rate is to be halved. Now time, which was 1.5 year, doubled, has become 3.5 years. Rate, which was 12%, half has become 6% per half year. Don't forget to write this. This was per annum, this is per half year, and amount would be 1,25,000, 1 plus R, that is 6 upon 100 into N, that is 3. You can calculate. I hope it is clear. Now do attempt till question number 8, and I'll send you the problems from the 2 exercise as well. Thank you so much.